I don't like coffee.
Me either. Or me neither. Wait, I always get confused here.
And you're not alone.
Really?
Yes, thousands of English learners make this exact mistake every day.
That makes me feel a little better, but also worried.
Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will never be confused again.
Promise?
Promise. And stay till the end because there's a small twist that changes everything. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Thought. Today's topic is simple, but very powerful. Either versus neither.
I've seen these words so many times, but I never feel confident using them.
That's exactly why this lesson matters, because understanding this will make your English sound more natural.
Okay, I'm ready to learn properly today.
Let's start from the beginning. Either means one of two options.
So, only one, not both?
You can choose either tea or coffee.
So I can pick tea or coffee, but not both.
Yes, that's correct.
That's easy.
Either we go out tonight or we stay home.
Oh, like making a decision.
Exactly. Now listen carefully. This is very important. Either is also used in negative sentences.
Wait, same word, different use?
Yes. Example: I don't like coffee.
Okay.
I don't like it either.
Oh, that means me too, but negative?
Perfect.
This is actually very clear now.
Good. But don't relax yet. Now let's talk about neither, meaning not one and not the other.
So, zero?
Exactly. Zero choice. Neither tea nor coffee is available.
So, nothing is available.
Yes. Neither Ali nor Sarah is coming to the party.
Wait, so we both are not going?
Yes.
That's sad.
Now here's the important part. When you agree with a negative sentence, use neither. Example: I don't like coffee.
Neither do I. Wait, this sounds more formal.
Yes, it's better English. Now let's compare both. Difference: either used at the end, neither used at the beginning. For example, I don't like it either. Check mark. Neither do I. Check mark.
So, both are correct.
Yes, but structure is different. Important point. Me neither, very common. I don't either, also correct.
And me either?
It's used in casual English, but avoid it if you want to sound correct.
Okay, I'll upgrade my English now.
Now let's fix mistakes that most learners make. I don't like it too. That's a wrong check mark. I don't like it either. Check mark. That's a right.
Yes, I've said that before.
Now you won't. Mistake 2. I like neither tea. That's wrong. I like neither tea nor coffee. That's right.
Oh, we must use nor also.
Exactly. Mistake 3. Me either. That's wrong. Me neither. That's right.
This one I'll remember for sure.
Ready for advanced level?
Let's do it.
Now we explain either or.
Okay,
Either you study or you fail.
that sounds like real life.
Neither Ali nor Sarah is ready.
We need to improve.
Either you wake up early or you miss the bus.
That happens to me a lot.
If you understand this topic, your English will sound much more natural.
Honestly, I already feel more confident.
That's the goal. Now, here's something interesting. Example: I didn't like both. That's wrong. I liked neither. That's right.
Wow, small change, big meaning difference.
Exactly. Another example: I don't like either of them. Check. I like neither of them. Check.
Both correct, but slightly different feeling.
Yes.
English is deep.
Let's test your understanding. I don't like tea.
Me neither.
Perfect. Choose either pizza or burger?
Easy.
Neither of them is ready.
Got it.
I don't like movies.
I don't either.
Excellent. Neither Ali nor Ahmed is here.
That means both are absent.
Perfect.
Before this video, I was always confused. Now, I feel confident.
That's what practice does.
If this video helped you, like, subscribe, comment. Now I understand either and neither.
And remember, practice daily.
More lessons coming soon.
Keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next video.